Little fun with the oscope and testing out another thing from the donation pool. This is the Tenma audio generator. It's no longer, it's like discontinued. I threw a battery in it, looked brand new in the box. Not real sophisticated, a few switches. So what it does for you is connect it to the oscope, and I can change your amplitude. I can give you a different signal as I change my wheel. I can go from a sine wave to a square wave. I can change from 0 to minus 20 dB attenuation. And again, yeah, I can do the amplitude. So again, I know this works. Next thing will be to plug it into the frequency counter and see if it's pulling the frequencies up. So that's why we're doing that today. Now again, that's the Tenma, and it's an audio generator. So it just generates frequencies, looks like from 20 to 1.5K, and then you have a multiplier of either a 1 or 100. So there you go, gang. Kind of neat. And another thing tested out, didn't take long. There was like one thing on the internet, and pretty straightforward. Okay, we're going to do the test now. We're connected to the DC port, and we're doing a one-time multiplier and a 1 second. We turned it on. Now we're going to, this is a Tenma audio generator. We're going to have it at 1 times, sine wave, and regular coming out, no cut down. And first thing we're going to do is turn this on, and that will be at 1.5. And then as we adjust this, we should get this to come up. Oh, there we go. Didn't have enough amp on there. So there's the amplitude, so you can bring it up a little more. So we're going to give this a second to settle down. Put it back on the let's see, the 1 multiplier and 1 second, and let's cut it down to 100 milliseconds. So right there, it's coming out with 1.54 kilohertz, and it says here we're doing 1.5K. So remember, we're close enough. And remember, this unit's 1973 vintage. I've cleaned it up, and this is pretty much the final test to see how the decimal points move, if they're moving correctly. And it looks like this one doesn't have the strangeness like others. Maybe the gentleman who built this is just better at it. Again, yeah, pretty cool. If you want, let me go down and cut that to, say, where are we at, 160. Yep. And again, we'll bring this in. Yeah, give it a minute to settle down. And yeah, so it was sitting on 180, I think. Hey, look at that, pretty cool. So we've tested this now on the oscilloscope and here, and again, within reason. I'm not a military lab here, guys. Over.